Good food never tasted this good, and African foods also satisfy the mind. Hello brothers, sisters, you're Kodo. Yes, so I'm in Upper East region, Bolega Frafra family, and today's recipe is called Samazerio. It's like Wrewre Nkwan that we have in the Ashanti region or the southern part of Ghana, but this method or the way they prepare this Wrewre Nkwan is totally different and altogether. Man, a delicious recipe that you need to try. So they use Muskmelon seed, which is rare to prepare this soup. And after everything, they do rice balls using the local rice from the northern parts of Ghana.
So this is our Guinea fowl?
Yeah, smoked Guinea fowl.
Yeah, smoked Guinea fowl. So this dry herring, amani, that she's pounding for the soup.
I'm adding the Dawadawa to the amani.
Okay. So this is the rice, the Bolega red rice for the rice bowls. She's now washing the red rice. So this fish is also for the soup. Yeah. What's the name of the soup?
Samazerio.
Samazerio.
We call it Sama.
Soup
we call it Zero.
Zero. Okay, Samazerio. Okay, so now we are preparing Samazerio soup with red rice balls. Wow. Bolegatanga. That's one of the local dish. Wow. Okay. Somebody goes zero.
Some small salt taste.
Okay. So how many times you have to wash this one?
This one is adding 3 times.
So you need to wash it very carefully, like for 3 times. Wow. The red rice also contains stones in it, so you need to wash like 3-4 times to take away all the stones away from it. That's what she's doing. So now the water for the rice is ready and the red rice is being poured in. It looks like wheat, but it's not wheat, it's red rice. Some salt to taste. So the rice balls is on fire. Yeah, red rice balls on fire. So yeah. So the pounded Dawadawa and the dried fish are now coming inside the soup. Basically, this is the paste for the soup, the sama. That's why it's called Samazerio.
Samazerio.
Samazerio. So what is made of this? What is it made of?
Some seeds.
Seeds, okay. I don't even know the name.
We call it Sama.
Sama, okay, the local name.
It's a little seed.
Okay.
It's a vegetable with the fruits.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's the paste that she's mixing with the water. And she'll be sieving this so that she will get the liquid out of it. So basically this is like Wrewre Nkwan, but the Bolega version of Wrewre Nkwan. Sieving the paste, the one that she mashed, and the liquid over here will be in the soup. She will sieve it again, and you see the oil from the fish.
You don't stir it plenty, you just stir it gently.
Okay.
Because some of
Okay. So basically this soup, the pepper wasn't added earlier, it was added later. Yeah. Red rice and
still hot, so we have to add water.
Okay. So water was added to the red rice. And that's the ladder, the wooden ladder. That's what she's doing. Okay.
So when you are cooking it, it takes a lot of
water, okay. Oh, red pants, okay. You need to have this ladder or the brick attached to the pot, then 2 feet. This is how rice balls have been made.
Yeah, it's in Kilimal.
So our rice balls is ready, and the calabash it will be formed in this to go inside the
So little time after.
bowl. Okay, local bowl, yeah. Yeah, so our soup, Samazerio soup is ready, and the white balls is also ready.
Yes.
So as you can see, like this is the soup. So we are going to serve and see what it is. I can't wait to try this. Yes, I just want to try it. I just want to try this. Yeah. The soup is Samazerio.
Yeah.
So together, what's the name?
Musabo.
Okay, so Malga Sabo is the name. Malga Sabo is the name, and the soup is Samazerio.
With Congo Neno.
What's that?
Congo Neno, Guinea fowl.
Guinea fowl. Okay, Guinea fowl.
Dry Guinea fowl meat.
Okay, Congo Gano.
Congo zero.
Congo Zero.
Congo Zero.
Zero. Okay. Congo Zero is Guinea fowl.
And then in Bolga here, when you are serving the landlords, you use the tie.
The tie. Okay, yeah, I was told in Fusi that when you get a visitor, all those things you use the tie. Yeah.
So you have Congo Gere.
Okay, Gbele is a tie, a Guinea fowl tie.
I bobini get the bokma half one. So what in
Samazerio soup. This is Frafra Nkwan. Similar like Wrewre Nkwan. Yeah, so look at this how we eat. Okay.
When you collect.
Okay, thank you. Samazerio soup, then red white balls. Okay.
Red.
red rice. Samazerio. It tastes very close like peanut soup in Nkwan, but it's not. There's some pounded Dawadawa, the African locust, then pounded dry fish as well. It's crazy. You need to try this. Definitely need to try this.
Man, amazing recipe that you need to try. Very easy and a healthy cooking lifestyle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Please share. Let's showcase our African food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. Orokodo.
The mess rules. Some me this tika koma madofo and I'm a bushna for ewa Ghana. They defa tap sing.
This is Yami. This is tap. And the best so far.
I don't see some yes, and this car coffee na a tap.
Tap saying will be around down the up now. Cannot master for African countries to pay.
And the reason I changed over to tap then.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve secured never had any.
Tap sing and no one abotre for you na ya jiatum. Tap sing. Papa no.